Hello, bachcho. Let's see the question. Which of the following pair is correct? And you have the four options. First option A. Annelida, Polychaeta, leech. B. Mollusca, Cephalopoda, octopus. C. Arthropoda, crustacea. And example is the cockroach. And D. Protozoa, hydra. Now, in that case, you have the four option, and in that four option, the phylum there are given Annelida, Mollusca, Arthropoda, Protozoa, and then again Polychaeta, Cephalopoda, Crustacea, and the Hydra. These are the class of that phylum. And the next leech, octopus, cockroach, and Hydra. These are the examples. So you want to find out which is the correct match. Okay. So first we discuss about the phylum and first is the Annelida. Okay, Annelida. Now this phylum Annelida, it is divided or it has three classes. The first is the Polychaeta. Example of the Polychaeta is that the marine worms. Marine worms. Marine worms. The second is the Oligochaeta. The second class of this is the Oligochaeta. Okay, just second. The second is the Oligochaeta. Actually, spelling mistake is there. Polychaeta, A E T A, Polychaeta. The second is the Oligochaeta. Example is the earthworm. These are the again segmented organism. Oligochaeta, coelomate organism again. Oligochaeta. Example is the earthworm. And the last class of this Annelida, it is the Hirudina. Hirudina. An example of this Hirudina, it is the leech. Okay. So first match, it is the Annelida, Polychaeta, and leech. In that option, Annelida is given, Polychaeta is given, and leech. So it is not correct because Annelida, Polychaeta, and example is the marine worm. If Annelida, Hirudina, and the leech is there instead of Polychaeta, then it will be the correct answer. Okay, but here there is a given Polychaeta, an example of Polychaeta, it is the marine worm. So your first option, it is the incorrect. Phylum is there, then class is given, and example is given, that is the species is there. The second one, it is the molluscum. The molluscum. This molluscum, it is again divided into the three or four classes. The first is the gastropod. Gastropod. Example of this gastropod is the limpets. Then second one is the bivalvia. Bivalvia. Third is the cephalopoda. Cephalopods. And example is the octopus. Again squid. And the last is the chiton. Chiton is itself example, chitons. This is the marine mollusca. Mollusca, okay. So mollusca, it is divided into these four classes: gastropoda, bivalvia, then cephalopods and chitons. Then mollusca, cephalopod, octopus. Mollusca, cephalopod, octopus is the correct match. Okay. Let's discuss the third match: Arthropoda, Crustacea, and the cockroach. Arthropoda, it is the biggest phylum in the animal kingdom. Arthropoda. This Arthropoda, it has the 7 class. Okay, It has the 7 class, but 4 are the main. 4 are the main class. Okay. We discuss that. The first class is the Insecta. Insecta. Example of the Insecta is the cockroach. The second one, it is the myriapods. Myriapods. Example is the centipedes. Then the fourth is the arachidans. Arachnids. Example is the meat spider. And the last is the crustacean. Example is the crab, prawns. Okay. So let's come to the our match. Our match says that here the match Arthropoda, crustacea, and the cockroach. No, cockroach, it is the insecta. Okay. If here the crustacea instead of cockroach the crab is given, then your match will be the correct, but it is the wrong. And the last, it is the protozoa. Last is the protozoa. Example is the paramecium and amoeba. Best example. Paramecium. Example best is the paramecium, amoeba. And the hydra, it is belongs to the phylum Cynandria or the Coelenterata. Okay. So your fourth option, it is also wrong. Our correct match is the D, that is mollusca, cephalopoda, and octopus. Okay. So I hope you will clearly understood it. Thank you and best of luck.